Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, unhook the battery cables. Anytime we unhook a positive cable, we get a little bit scared of leaving it like that, so we'll put something underneath of it to keep it up away from the terminal. And just to let you know, the battery on the Traverse is behind the passenger seat. Hi guys, we've got a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse. What I want to show you is how to remove the airbag, and what you're going to do is run a screwdriver. All it needs to be is the same size as that hole, and what we are using is a Torx. And when you push back, you want to push straight back like that and not be up or down. Push straight back, and then in here Cody's going to show you what you'll be pushing against to release the airbag.
So you'll have these on both sides, but you'll see inside of this hole right here, that little retainer clip. When you push the screwdriver, see if I can get, you can see it moving. You have holes on both sides to push in. You have the retainer clip on both sides.
You have one here and one here. They release off of these pins on each side of the airbag, and the airbag will pop out. Now you see how Cody popped these little tabs up. Alright, Cody's got some needle nose pliers, and he just going to pull them out. Just kind of remember where the pink one is and where the white one is when you go back with them.
They're color coded.
They are, oh, they are color coded. Alright guys, that's how you remove the airbag on a 2016 Traverse. Two retainers down in here. You have to shove in from the side back here to release them. And then you have the plug-ins. Don't forget, you have the little tabs on top you have to release, and then push in the side and pull out. Okay, this is Code Man's Auto. Please like and please subscribe. And now we're going to hook up the airbag. We still have our battery disconnected, and we're not going to connect it until we get everything back together. And there we go.